So on my last video, which was putting the winch bumper and winch on the John Deere, one of the commenters said, do a walk around of your mowers. Well, I could do a quick, easy walk around of my 4 favorite mowers. That's these 4. And ignore that it's getting dark. Ignore the wind noise. I'll try to make this quick for you. This is my Motomow. Got it off Craigslist, $200, about 10 years ago. I've done nothing to it except for add the 2 front tractor tires. I put a little paint on the wheels, a little paint on the fenders. I did put the fenders on it, put some paint on the back seat. Other than that, I've done nothing to it. It came $200 like it is with the lawn cart. If I could find more like that. This John Deere was on Craigslist. Maybe it was Facebook Marketplace. He wanted 200, talked me down to 80. Had a deck that was rusted away. I've done nothing to the engine. The engine is a 22 horse Briggs. I put the ATV tires on the front, painted the front wheels. Those are 8-inch wheels. It came with 6-inch wheels. I put the Dirt Devils. Those are 22-inch Dirt Devils. And that is all I've done to it. That front bumper and winch, of course, that was in the last video. I want to put some LEDs on it next. The Poulan, I got it from the neighbor. It was free. It had a mower deck, but I took that off, recycled it. I put tractor tires on the back. Those are 20-inch tractor tires. I put the turf tires on the front with the 8-inch wheels. Lifted the front. Actually lifted the front twice, about 4 inches, then about 7 inches. Just lifted the back of it, 2 inches. It has pretty much a body lift in the back and a suspension lift in the front. The engine, I've done nothing to the engine. It is a 14.5 Briggs. Added the front bumper, added the LED bar. The rear end, it wasn't automatic, but it was messed up when I got it. Put the manual in it and put a custom shifter on it. Next, it needs to be locked. And I'll probably put duals back on it soon. I did forget to mention stock pulley in the front, 3-inch pulley in the back, and I forgot to mention on the Deere, stock pulley in the front, 3-inch pulley in the back. And then Craftsman, the only thing I've done to it, I painted it green, put the Chud 327 on it, put the star on it, put the ATV tires on the back. It needs a smaller pulley in the back, and it needs to be locked. Under the hood, 18 horse. And I need to get another battery for it. It's in the process about to get a front bumper. That is a walk around of my 4 favorite mowers. Which do you like best? Leave me a comment. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. If you have any comments, leave me a comment. And thanks for watching. And this chrome stack in the wintertime works really good as a hand warmer. The lower you go, the warmer it gets. So I'm out here in the garage. It's a little bit windy and chilly, not the best conditions for videoing. So we might just stay in the garage. And I've got the Motomow here with the other chrome motorcycle pipe on it. That would look good there. It'd be kind of hot near your foot, but it could still work. Warm up that back tire for some traction. It would need a little bit of modifications. It's almost right. Extend this 90 out a little bit. Bolt it on down there. I think I should fire it up and see what it sounds like. Take the muffler off. Hold this pipe up to it. Yeah, let's do that next. Alright, it's in neutral. This will be the first fire up in a long time. The choke is on, the key's on. So I'm out with the John Deere again, and I was looking at this. This was the automatic transmission when it had one, the go forward pedal and the back up pedal. And I was thinking of making it a gas pedal, and then I was digging through the scrap parts, and this rod looks like it's going to work out just perfect to make this go pedal a brake pedal. That's what we're trying to do right now, get brakes on the John Deere. And the gas pedal idea, that can be later. And so now when we hit forward, which is really the brake, we might actually have brakes now. Got the mowers, and we're hanging out at the Christmas tree store, burning Christmas tree parts. And I'm making a wreath.
There you go. That was way easier than that one. Flavoring. The guys on Naked and Afraid, they drink their water with ashes in it. It's a fire sale. What are you talking about?
Yeah, fire sale, that tree over there. Oh, Dad, there's a walkie talkie. That blue pepper got off? It was right here. Is he drinking?
No.
And there's a pedal down there you step on and squeeze it together. How many more? 3 more. 4 more.
Go just go use the bathroom really fast.
You hold the limbs in place and the wire pinches down. And I believe we are done. No, 1 more. Here.